Do you want to know how you can delete your Perplexity AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Perplexity AI account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to Google and then search for Perplexity AI. Click on the first link which appears and you must make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on the settings which you can see on the bottom right hand corner or your left hand corner, and under the account section scroll all the way down until you see delete account. So if you click on learn more, you will see this page over here. So before you go ahead with deleting your account, please take a moment to understand what will happen to your data. Your profile details, preferences and settings will be removed. Your search history, threads and any other type of content you share will be deleted. Also, all data will be permanently deleted 30 days after account deletion. So make sure that you are ready to delete your account and press confirm. After you press confirm, your account will be permanently deleted within 30 days. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can delete your Perplexity AI account. Log into your account in Perplexity AI and then click on this button you can see on the left hand side. Scroll all the way down until you find delete account. Click learn more and then read the instruction, and then if you are sure to delete it, just press confirm. I hope this video about how you can delete your Perplexity AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.